All right, can everybody hear me okay? All right, cool. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I am extremely tired. All right, had to get up early this morning. Went to bed late, got up early. However, tonight, tonight is gonna be a very awesome night because I'm actually gonna um, train on something in more detail that's really going to help propel your business. I am recording this for the people that are asking on two computers right now. So I got two recordings going. So if one mess up, the other one should work. So we'll figure out. But hopefully, um, it should all work out. But for the people that are not here, they're gonna be so sad that they are not here. But at least we are recording it. I'm gonna take my time with this tonight. If you have not seen part one, I recommend that you go on the training website, click on recordings, and watch part one. Okay, watch part one. It is there. Now, part two, we're going to go more into detail about how to actually maximize your hosting account with GVO because, like I said, the reason why we did it the way we did it last night was the simple fact that you cannot sign up for GVO without a sponsor. Okay, so I was not trying to promote another affiliate program. The company just happens to have an affiliate program, and that's the only way that you can sign up for their services. So instead of you going out there finding some random person that you don't know and giving your money to them, at least we can keep it in house and try to help your sponsor out by you signing up with them. Okay, and if your sponsor don't want the hosting account for whatever reason, I don't know why they wouldn't, but some people are weird like that and don't want it. Then go to the next upline. But again, we want to keep proper hierarchy when it comes to this, and just make sure that you contact your upline for their link. If they don't have one, don't want one, then go to the next upline. Okay, I know some people didn't do it that way, and some of you all missed your blessing because you didn't do it the proper way. So make sure we do that. Again, we want to do things with integrity. So if you don't have a GVO account, make sure you contact your nearest upline and contact your nearest upline. And if they don't have a link, then go to the next person. If they don't have a link or don't want a link, then go to the next person. All right, in the hierarchy. All right. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. All right. You should be able to see my desktop here. I'm going to actually drag some stuff. I'm going to drag some stuff on my desktop here. And I just got this Mac not too long ago, folks, and I love this thing. So if you can afford a Mac, definitely get one. It's awesome. But anyway, gonna drag that on there so we don't have to do that later on, and we're gonna open this up. Okay, let's see here. All right, so first, what we're going to do is actually go into our GVO account. Now, remember I told you last night that you have domain name hosting. Well, before I even get into that, all right, before I really even go into that, real quick, for the people that are looking for their links, real quick, before I even get into the training, because I've seen this happen. Here's your referral link. All right, here's your referral link. It'll be right here as soon as you log in. It's on the home page, and here's your referral link. This is the one you want to use. I would not use this one right here. Use this one right here. If you're going to forward the domain name, just forward it. Do not mask the domain name. Again, do not mask your domain name when you're giving it to your referrals. Because if you do, then it is not going to properly track and you're not going to get credit. Because I actually had someone have this problem last night. So do not mask your domain name. If you want to forward it, and then when it redirects, it'll still show this long link up there, which is absolutely fine because we're not trying to make this a primary thing here. We're not trying to build, well, I know, at least I know I'm not with this. So, but again, once you start referring your team members, just give them the long link and call it a day. Don't try to mask it, because if you mask it, then you're going to have issues. Second thing is, tell your people to make sure your name is there. As you see here, let me try to zoom in. Okay. As you see there, you see it say my name here at the bottom. Referred by Reginald Stinson. Tell them to make sure your name is at the bottom before they fill out this form. Because if not, then, you know, we'll have to do a support ticket or something like that to make sure you get credit for it. So again, we want to make sure that your people are signing up under you and not going to some random person. The next thing that you want to do is, since you are referring people to this, hold on, I gotta log in again. Give me 1 second. Since you are referring people to this, you want to make sure that you submit your W-9 and also that you submit your ID. Okay, do both, because if not, they're gonna hold your commissions and you're not gonna get paid. All right, so make sure you do that. All right, and like I said, this just happened to have an affiliate program. It wasn't our intentions to do this at all. So don't think that. But the good thing about it is, you know, we talked about multiple income streams and people are trying to do it. So this is a way for you to kind of create another income stream with a tool that you're going to use anyway, whether you're with Vitel or not, especially if you continue to build your business online. So like I said, you have the weekly leaderboard potential, the residual. You can check all that stuff out just by you referring this $10 program to people. You can make some additional money. Again, it is not a primary business by no means, but it's another way for you to build another stream of income without interfering with what we're doing here and without spending a lot of time doing it. Okay, so that is that. And like I said, this just only has an affiliate program, so we couldn't sign up without getting into the affiliate program. So again, we want to make sure that everybody gets proper credit. Now, going to, hold on, wait a minute. Did all that make sense, you all? Before I get started here, let me make sure all that made sense. Okay, cool. Now, the next thing you want to do, now I can get into the training. With this GVO, the reason why it's so cool, and a lot of you all are not going to have more than one site. Us tech geeks probably will, like myself and Josh Lifford out there. But you may have a couple sites. The cool thing about this account and this autoresponder is you can also host domain names on it. All right, so actually this site here, the powerteammarketing.com, I built that with this hosting. So you can host 4 websites on your hosting account. And I'm going to show you how to add that. Now, you can register your domain name with them, which I probably wouldn't because it's kind of expensive to go directly with them, or you can go to GoDaddy and catch a sale and do it. So I actually went to GoDaddy and bought my domain names. Now, I'm going to show you how to link it to your hosting account. It's really simple. Here's what you do. You go to step 2 over here. And I'm going to zoom in. And then you click on changing your DNS. Okay, let me zoom out. And then I'm going to go right here. And then it say, these are your DNS settings to use. You see how I'm zooming in? That Mac is cool, man. I love this. But anyway, it say, here's your DNS. Here's 1 and here's 2. All right. So this is what you're going to put in your domain name. So I'm going to go to my GoDaddy account. I already logged in. Click the plus sign. And then this is the domain name I'm going to use right here, nodatacapwireless.com, because that's just a domain name that's just out there that I'm not even using anymore. And then once you click on launch, you change your name servers by simply going over here where it say name servers, you see they already changed over here. But basically, long story short, you click on set name servers and then click I have specific name servers for my domain names, and then you put in name server 1 and then name server 2 and click OK. All right, but I already did that, so I'm not going to do it again. Now, it takes about an hour or so before it actually updates, okay? So once you do this, give this about 2 hours before you actually come back to your GDO account and add this domain name. It's all that making sense thus far? Is that making sense? Talk to me. Okay, now after you do that, you want to go to Blogger Builder. All right, then you want to go to Install Wizard. Click on Install. And I haven't done this in a while, so hopefully I'm telling you to do this right. I guess we'll find out here. So, oh, I'm not doing it right. Sorry, not doing it right. Before you do that, actually what you need to do is click on Web Host Manager. I'm sorry. And click here to, you can get your domain name from anybody, Dennis. It does not have to be through GoDaddy. I just kind of threw GoDaddy out there because it's popular. All right. So first, now next thing you want to do, if you have this in your account, I believe you all will because I kind of have a different account. Okay, so I have a different account. So you want to add a package. And don't worry, this is going to be recorded. So people are going to be like, this is kind of difficult. It kind of is, but it's really not. I'm going to put the name at the top. This quota, you can't do unlimited. So I don't know. I'm just going to put 10,000. Just put some random numbers. It might let me get away with this. I don't know. But we'll find out here. Maximum hour email. Oh, we can't change that. Go down, click add. And let's see if that worked. Yeah, looks like it added it. Okay. So next thing you want to do is click on create account. All right, let's see if it added that package. Yes, it added the package. See, here's the package I just did right there. The test 1244444. So just put some numbers, 100,000 or whatever there, and it'll do it. From there, you just put in a domain name, which I'm going to paste that. No data cap wireless. It can generate a password. I really don't care what it is, because I'm not going to be using FTP. So we're going to just do that. Put my email in. Make sure you choose the package you just created. And then click on automatic, click create. All right, then we're gonna wait until this saves. And my computer is moving slow because I'm recording on my Mac as well. So we're gonna give it a second here. And hopefully this is work, because I just changed DNS not too long ago, so we'll find out here shortly. So we're gonna give it a second here. Yeah, so it looked like it took. All right, so there it is. It's done. All right, so I'm going to exit out of that. And now I'm going to go to Blogger Builder. All right. Now I'm going to go to Install Wizard. That's probably the hardest thing you have to do right there. If anything, once you understand that, I mean, you pretty much got it. And then I'm going to click on Install for WordPress. And normally you would have to do this in cPanel, but they made it easier here at GBO. And then what I'm going to do is find it. Here it is right here. Find the account. Here it is, no data, CA at nodatacatwireless.com. You know what? I got to go back because I forgot I had to do the password. So hold on a second. So when it comes to the password, make sure you create your own password. I just did a random one when I should have never did that. So now I got to change the password. So hold on a second. Let me get this password real quick. So don't generate a password, create your own password, because now I have to go back and change this. Let's see. Where is it at? Okay. So let's change this password real quick. All right. So I selected the domain name. Bam, click change password. And password has been changed. Okay, there it is. Now I can go back. All right, so I'm going to go to Install Wizard. Click Install. Go to, where is it at? Now I don't see it. Oh, here it is. And then put in my password I just made. Leave the install directory blank. Don't put anything there. Admin name, you need to enter, okay. Put your name there. Password, I can't remember, I don't think, unless you put the password in there, but we're going to try it anyway. Blog name, I'm going to put this is a test blog. Then you want to check this, allow to appear in search engines. Okay. Huh? Oh. Admin name. I guess that's your username there. I'm sorry. That's your username. Click. Yes, that's why I'm recording this, because I haven't done this in a while here. So we're actually doing this together for the first time in a long time. So your admin name is actually your username. I don't know why they call it admin name. That always gets me confused there. But they do. So now it's installing WordPress. So we're going to give it a second, excuse me, for it to install. And it should email you your login information. But we'll find out here shortly. But now it's installing. So we'll give it a few minutes. So we can relax, drink some coffee, some water, whatever you need to do. So once WordPress gets installed, then we're going to get to the cool stuff. Okay, there it is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, so let me go ahead and log in. All right, so now I'm in. Did you all see me log in? Hopefully you did. Did you all see me log in my WordPress? Okay, cool. So now what we're going to do, here's the cool part. Now I'm going to click on this to show you what the blog looks like now. This is what it looks like now out the box. All right, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you how to customize this. Okay. All right, Josh, see you later. So I'm going to show you how to customize this. Now, you can choose anything that you want to, but I'm going to show you how to use Optimize Press, because with Optimize Press, you can do some cool stuff with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, before you actually install or after you install Optimized Press, I'm actually going to give you the login to my Optimized Press account. I created a generic password. It is Power Team, and the username is Stinson. And basically, you can come in here, watch tutorials. You can do all that stuff. I actually created our membership site, the powerteammarketing.com, with this theme. So you seen the powerteammarketing.com training website. Well, everybody should have seen it on this webinar. I actually created that with this theme. Now, this theme cost $97. All right. This theme cost $97. If you don't know what the login is, don't worry about it now, because but when the webinar is over, I'm going to go on the training website and add it. Okay, I'm going to add this information to the training website as soon as we are done. So don't panic. But anyway, like I was saying, this plugin cost $97. So I'm saving you $97 on this plugin. I spent a lot of money on this stuff. The other plugin that I'm going to show you, I think it costs $47. So if you do the math, that's over $130, probably $140 for WordPress plugins and themes that I'm going to basically give you for free, because I'm not here trying to make money off of you, to be honest. Not from this stuff anyway. And to be honest, this stuff here even has an affiliate program. So I could have easily gave you an affiliate link and told you to go buy it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give it to you for free. We're going to share it. So that's what we're here to do. So like I said, I want everybody to win. I want everybody to make money. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. There's tutorials and stuff here, but I'm going to show you how to do the basic stuff here to kind of get it going. The main thing is, once you come in here and you install this, or you are about to install this on your website, click on license your sites. Okay, this is not no crack software. All right, this is not crack software, because I know there are some crack software on Black Hats that have viruses and stuff in it. I'm giving you the real deal here. Okay, this is real legit software that I have purchased. So go to license your sites, put your website here at the top. First time licensing your sites and domain names. Put it here at the top and click submit. Okay, that's all you have to do. I've already done that for the domain name I'm about to install this on, so I don't have to do it anymore. Don't delete anything in here, okay? Don't mess with anything. Don't delete anything. Just put your site here and click submit, and it'll tell you what your license key is. Now, going back to the blog. Where is the blog? I got to find it. Okay, here it is. So after you do that, you want to go to Appearance, Themes, and then up here at the top, and this may be kind of technical, but you all need to learn this stuff, man. Okay, you all need to learn it. So go to Install Themes. I'm going to click on that. All right, so then click on Upload. And this is after you have downloaded Optimized Press on your desktop. I guess I skipped that step. So where am I at? Wait a minute. Here we go. So you download it here. Go to Downloads. And then you download it here. Okay? This is where you download it. I've already downloaded, so I skipped that step. But of course, that's a no-brainer. Download it. Then click on Choose File. I saved it on my desktop, so I'm going to click on Optimized Press, click Choose, and click Install Now. All right, so it's installing the theme. Now I'm going to activate it. And then it say enter your license key. My license key should be my email, I believe. So let me put it in. Put that in. Oh, wait a minute. I probably didn't do that right. Hold on a second. Let me put this domain name in again. I thought I did this earlier, but maybe I didn't. So let's go. Where is it at? Okay, hold on. Let me find it again. Okay. Okay, so let's go here again. License your sites. Maybe it goes at the bottom here. This is where it goes. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry, it goes at the bottom. Adding new sites, put it down here if you have problems. Okay, not the first box, second box. So now let's try this again. Stinson@gmail.com. And there it is. You see, now it's activated. See, even I make mistakes. So you put it in the second box and there it is. So now it is activated. Now let's show you what it looks like now. Okay, that's what it looks like now, which is not good, okay? But it looks like that because there's no pages or anything on here. So let me see what's going on. Okay, there's a test post. All right, so the next thing that you want to do before I get to that other stuff is it's a plugin that I'm going to give you, which is going to allow you to create a nice looking opt-in form. And let me go up here. It's called WP Opt-in Pro. I'm going to go ahead and install that. That's a plugin. And basically a plugin are basically things that make your WordPress blog function. Different things you can add to it, such as pop-ups, Google AdSense, so on and so forth. So these are the two things that we're going to do today. Now there's other things that you can do for SEO, but I'm not going to talk about that today. Excuse me. We're just going to keep that simple. So now we have that. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to permalinks. Click on that. All right. And don't worry, this is recorded, so you can actually set this up while you're watching the recording. You can pause the video, do one step, unpause, and do the rest. That is the cool thing about the recording. So if you get lost, don't worry about it. You put the %sign, post name, then %sign. You want to make sure you do this. All right. Then click save. All right. So we got that. Now let me check something else out real quick, see what's going on. Your latest post. Okay, so that's right. All right, so now the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is create a squeeze page. All right, I'm going to show you how to create well, which one do you all want to know how to do first? Let me ask you all. Do you want to learn how to do the squeeze page first, or do you want me to go ahead and set up the blog, then the squeeze page? Okay, squeeze page. All right. So some of you all may already have blogs in other places. All right. So if you already have a blog in other places, you really don't need to do all that other stuff. What you need to do is go to pages. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. This already was on there. So you can delete what's already there if you don't want it. Click on add new. And then you go over here to template. You want to make sure you choose. You see you have blog templates. You have sales page templates, and you have where is it at? Squeeze page templates. Let me zoom out so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, there it is. Squeeze page templates. So I'm going to choose squeeze page 2. All right. You can zoom out. And this one, you got to name it something. So you can put Vitel or intro or whatever. You put whatever you want there, whatever your company name is. It don't have to be a long sentence, just one word, Vitel or whatever. Then you want to go down to, where is it at? Squeeze page options. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. Squeeze page options. I'm looking right at it. So under headline options, hopefully you all can see this clear. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. All right. So you click on this here, this plus sign. You can do a pre-headline, which I'm going to show you what that looked like. This is a small. Now I'm going to click. Let me see. Okay, what should I put? Something. Rev is about to happen. That's a pre-headline. Then do a headline. Get your bills paid with someone. And I'm just making this up. With someone. One else. Money. And you can change the color, the text, all that stuff here. You can kind of play around this to see what it looks like. And then you can do a sub headline if you want to, but I'm not going to do a sub headline this time. Well, I guess I will to show you what it looks like. And earn $5,000 to $10,000 month sharing this. This isn't something typically I'll put on the page, but you get the idea. All right, so now I'm gonna click Save Draft because I don't want, and I'm gonna preview it to see what it looks like. All right, so you see how that looks. That looks pretty cool, right? That's the squeeze page. All right, so I'm gonna zoom out. And I'm not sneaky, Carrie. I'm just, I don't know what to call it. I wouldn't call it sneaky. I'm just into learning how to do stuff. It took me several nights, sleepless nights to learn this stuff. So I didn't start out with a lot of computer experience either. So if you don't have experience, don't worry about it. You'll figure it out. Now, the next thing I want to do is, where's my thing at? I want to go to my campaign in my autoresponder, which is PTM Vitel Leads. Okay, so I'm going to go to Forms, and I'm just going to create any opt-in form. So I'm going to click on Create Form here. All right, so I'm going to click on Create Form, and you don't have to. Hold on, before I do that, hold on a second. Let me zoom out for a minute. Okay, hold on. Trying to get this stuff to pop up at the bottom. Okay, there we go. All right, so let me go back to this page right quick. Before I do that, before I actually do that, hold on a second. On the thank you page, you got two options. Since my domain name here, let me go back and show you this right quick. On the blog. Now, this is the sales page. I mean, the intro page to my capture page. Here's my domain name here at the top. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this. All right, and I'm going to zoom out. And let me get back to where I was at. Where was I at? Okay. That's not it. I got too many windows open here. I can't find my stuff. Okay, that's not it. let me minimize some of this stuff. Okay, there we go. So here's what you want to do. You want to do a custom URL. Then you want to paste your website there. But you don't want them to go to that intro page, because when people type in this, it's just going to go to the capture page. So what you want to do is hit a slash and sales, or whatever you name that other page. I'm going to name my intro page sales. So I'm just going to put that right there by default, because I know that's what my page name is going to be. It's going to be sales. So I'm going to highlight that again and copy and paste the same thing there. Okay, sales. I haven't created this page yet, but I'm going to after I finish the opt-in page. But I just want to get this so I can put the form on there. Is that making sense before I move forward? Is all this making sense? Do y'all understand that I'm prematurely putting sales there, even though I haven't created the actual sales page yet? Do you all understand that? I want to make sure before I move forward. Okay, cool. I want to make sure I'm not going over somebody's head. Now, the ad tracking, you can put that's just a track where your leads are coming from. You can put capture page or whatever, or you can just leave it blank. It really don't matter. Here where it say double opt-in, uncheck that. All right, uncheck that. Let me zoom out. Let me see. Leave this there. Check full name and email and submit. You don't have to do anything else. Just click create. Then what you want to do is get the code, which I can't remember which button it is. Oh, here it is. I think that's it. Okay, let's click to get the code, and then you see the code popped up here on this side. So I'm going to highlight that. Copy that, then let me minimize, and let me try to find this blog again. Okay, that's not it. That's not it. I have way too many pages open. All right, that's it. All right, so now what you want to do is under squeeze page options, here at the top. Trust me, once you do this once, you're going to be a pro at this. Squeeze page options. I'm going to scroll down, click on where it say opt-in squeeze forms. Autoresponder code. Okay, I'm going to click on autoresponder code and then just paste that code there. And then you want to show the name and the email. You want to show both boxes. Okay. You can do a custom button here, or you can select an image in here. So I'm going to click on select image, because if you don't select the image, nothing is going to be there. So let's choose the image. You can click continue, download, get access now, which I'm going to do get access now. That just makes sense. If you're giving away a free report or something, you can do that. Whatever. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to do get access now. Click the little circle button, scroll down, and click use selected. Okay, you seen I clicked on use selected. Then I'm going to save the draft, and I'm just going to preview it. Again, now I have to find where the preview is. All right, so let's minimize and see. Now you see the button is there now. So the only thing that it is missing is a video. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube and get a video. And I'm just going to grab any random video. Hold on. Janelle. Wait a minute. Vitel. Wow. Let me see. I know which video I want to use. Let me see if I can do this, and I can't. Not with this. Hold on a second. That's the video I'm trying to get right there. So I'm trying to find it on YouTube. Let me close GoDaddy because they like. Okay, I can't find it. Oh, I know where it is. liveonedream.net. Let's go there. And I'm just trying to get that video there on YouTube. So here it is right here. So let's watch it on YouTube. There it is. So we're just gonna use this video here. This is just an example. You can create your own short video to get them to opt into your page. But for the sake of this training, I am going to use this video. All right, you want to make sure you uncheck this box. You don't want to show any suggestions, anything like that. The next thing you want to do is to use the old embed code. I'm going to try the old embed code. Click OK. 560 by 315, that might be okay. Excuse me. So let's go back to this blog here. And now I'm going to go under video settings. Click on activate video. Oh, actually, let me see. Can you embed? Okay, here we go. Put that YouTube code in there. Autoplay video. Yes, I want to autoplay the video. Hopefully it works because I never used it like that. I usually use something custom. So we're going to click save and then click preview. And let me try to find that capture page again. Where is it at? Okay, I lost it. Can't find the capture page. So I apologize, folks. I have so many windows open. I'm gonna close this one. And I'm gonna close that one. And here we go. Get rid of that. And let's see. Okay, the video didn't play automatically for some reason. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. It didn't do it. Let me see if I can figure out how to do that. So let's go back here. The video didn't start automatically. You want the video to start automatically. If your video hosts on Amazon, you can visit that video. Let me see here. If I can figure this out. True. Give me 1 second, guys. Again, I normally use something else to do this. So it may be a little bit different. Yeah, so I normally use a third-party video host. I have my own hosting, and I know how to make it. So I'm trying to do this according to YouTube. So let me see if I can paste this YouTube link, and it actually works. Let's see. Let's try the link this time and see if it works. Okay, here we go. Video URL. Let's try that. Paste that link. Let me get this out of there. And let's see if it works now. If it don't start automatically this time, then there's a way you can put something in the YouTube code to make it do it, but I can't tell you offhand. Wait a minute. Okay, where is... Okay. Oh, I see. It's not the right video link for some reason. That is weird. So hold on 1 second. Let's try to get this link to work again. Let's try this again. Okay, let's just use this one. This is easier. All right, so get rid of that. Minimize that. And let's try this. Let's see if it works now. And all right, so hit save. Try preview. There we go. Yeah, so that's how you do it. All right. Okay, so there we go, folks. You have to make sure, evidently, that you get the right YouTube link. It's acting weird for some reason. Let me see if I can pull this up again to show you what it looks like. I think I closed it though, but we're gonna see. Yeah, I did, unfortunately. But okay, this is the part of the YouTube link you want to get. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Let me zoom out. That's too close. Okay, so this part here from the, you see that and? Do everybody see the and symbol there? Everybody see that? Okay, so you want to get everything from the and symbol and back. So don't do the and symbol. Everything in front of the and symbol and back. That is the part of the link you want to copy and paste. If not, it is not going to work. Obviously, because that embed player and stuff, it didn't work. They just want that link. So that's how we got it to play automatically. So now it plays automatically. So the next and final thing that you need to do, you see this here at the bottom where it say copyright. Here at the bottom. Do everybody see that? Do everybody see it? Come on, talk to me. All right, cool. So we're going to change that. All right, so let me go back to my blog here. Let me minimize some of these windows because, again, I have a whole lot of stuff open. So I'm going to go back here. Now, so this page is pretty much done. Actually, this page is done. This is the intro page. So what I'm going to do now is click on Optimize Press, go to General Settings. All right, and then you see where it say copyright footer text. You can put 2012 or whatever. I always put Stinson Marketing Group. Or you can put whatever you want. I put that there. Powered by, I don't want to display. I uncheck the Powered by Optimized Press. I'm going to uncheck that. And then I'm going to scroll down and click Save Changes. Yes. Yes. Change the copyright to you. And then, final thing you want to do is go to, I think it's General. Let's see. General. No, that's not it. Go to Writing. That's not it. Reading. Wait a minute. Where is it at? Default post category. Hold on. Oh, I see. I know why it's not showing. Hold on. So let me go back to this page. I actually have to publish this. Sorry. So let me go back to edit and let me actually publish this page. I didn't publish it. That's why I couldn't find it. So if you don't publish this page, you're not going to be able to view this live on the internet. That what I was showing you was actually previews. So now I'm publishing this page and making it live. All right. So we're going to give it a few minutes to actually publish across the internet, and then I am going to show you what to do next. So I have to wait a few minutes. You see here at the top while this is saving, I have an update available. Make sure you keep your WordPress updated, because if not, it can be vulnerable to viruses and stuff like that, or it crashing. I'm not going to do the update now because due to the fact of time, but that's just the FYI. You can do a whole lot of cool things with this, but I'm just going to show you the basics here, okay? Yes, you can always make changes to it even after you publish it, but any new changes that you make after you publish, you have to republish it again so that the new changes will take effect. All right, so make sure you publish it again. Now, for some reason, it's taking a long time to publish. I don't know why. But it is. If we have a blog, can we add it? No, you can't. Blogger is completely different. So let me see here. All right, so go to reading after you publish the post. Click on reading. Under settings, click the drop down arrow, click on reading. And then let me zoom out or go up. It's a front page displays. You can do one of two things. If you are only going to use this as a squeeze page creator, let me say it again. If you are only going to use this as a squeeze page, then what you want to do is select this and make the front page your intro page, which is that. If you're going to use this as a blog as well, then what you want to do is leave it at your latest post. And you can actually, which I'm going to leave it like that, like it is. Well, I'm going to show you both, okay? I'm going to give you both examples here. So if you're going to use this as a squeeze page only, then I'm going to click Save Changes, and you see that the static page, hold on a second here. Oh, wrong button. It's a front page display, status page below, front page, Vitel. That's my intro page because I'm only going to use this as a squeeze page creator. Okay, so I'm going to click New Tab and no data. Okay, we're going to do that, and I'm going to do Vitel because Vitel is the name of the page. And you see, that's what it goes to because I'm only using it as a squeeze page. But if I want to use it as a blog as well, then I don't want to do that. I'm just going to click your latest post because I'm going to show you how to set up the blog with this as well. So I'm going to save changes there. And you see, since I changed it, watch what happens. Now it goes back to that. But if I put Vitel at the end of it, it goes to the squeeze page. So actually what you can do is you can use it as a blog. You can create as many squeeze pages as you want. You can create an unlimited amount of squeeze pages. I know Curtis Krause asked me about this. He wanted to create pages for his team members and give them away. You can do that easily with this. You can create as many as you want, give them the domain name, which is here at the top, and then you can buy another domain name and just forward and mask it, okay? This you can forward and mask, all right? That's what I did with my Talking Drive Free. So that's pretty cool. You can create an unlimited amount of squeeze pages with this, okay? Now this is a sample. I could have made this look better, but that's just to give you an idea of how it works. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to add the sales page, which I'm going to make this quick. I'm going to name it sales. And I'm not going to make it pretty. I'm just going to do something example. this is what all of you all can do tonight. This is going to be cool. You see this video here, Vitel webinar. So a lot of people got content out there with vitelwebinar.com on it, and that's not good, because when they watch this, especially before you capture the lead, they're going to Google Vitel and sign up with somebody else. So I'm going to go on YouTube and try to get this link, which it never does it right for some reason when I do it like that. Hold on, let me see if I can go on his page and get it. Brandon, where?
Calvin, let's go.
Hold on. Where is that? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I think this is a new video. So let me go here and get the new video on YouTube. Then I'm going to minimize that. And I'm going to go to video settings, activate video. I'm going to paste that link. Same thing you did before. You're going to autoplay the video, so on and so forth. You can put social icons on here. Like I said, once y'all get time, go through there and watch the videos. You can do this in your downtime, though. I'm not going to show you all that stuff tonight. You can do that. Now, I'm going to click on that icon there. And I'm going to add a button. Sign up now. Click the sign up now button. Click add to page. All right. So I'm going to do a draft. Save the draft. I want to make sure I did this right. Click on preview. And I don't know where the preview is. So let me close that. Let me see if I can find that preview. Oh, here it is. Okay, there's the button, but I don't see the video. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, I know why I don't see the video. Hold on. Wait a minute. Actually, what we're going to do here is a sales page template. I put the video in the wrong spot. So now, since we're doing a sales page template, we want to go back over here. Choose sales page style. I'm going to do video. I don't want a sidebar. Video. Where is it at? Sidebar. Okay, we're just going to do the style one for the sake of this. Then we want to try to find the sales letter video. Let me see if I can find it here. Here it is, launch page and sales letter options. That's where you want to put this link at. Okay, so I'm going to activate the video, hosted URL. I'm going to post a video here under hosted video URL. The link is posted. I want to autoplay the video. Don't want to show no control bars, none of that stuff. And then click save. And then click preview. I hear it, but I can't find it.
Welcome to the Vitel Benefits Network presentation. Vitel launched nation.
There it is. Okay, so now look at what you have here. You have the video, which is standard, which is standard. It doesn't mention any names. You can use this video, put it on your own sales page, and guess what? You have a sign up now button. The people can sign up. You can type text. I could have done other stuff to make it look pretty. I could have put some text at the top, which I probably do anyway. So let's go back here. Now, to get that sign up link to work, Here's what you want to do. You see, did you all see how I got this here? It has some type of special code here. Okay, you cannot get rid of the YouTube logo if it's on YouTube. So what you want to do to TJ is actually download the video from Brandon's channel and re-upload it to your own channel and then put that link there. So if they do click on the YouTube logo, it will go to your own channel instead of his. All right, does that make sense? That's what you want to do. Now, in order to get this button here clickable, you see where it has the pound sign here. You see the pound sign here. This is where you want to put your sign up link. So I'm going to put my sign up link for Vitel, which mine is getmestartednow.com. That's my sign up link. That's all you have to do. And then let me zoom out. Go down here to headline. If you want to put a headline there, you can do a headline. Oh, here we go. Headline text. I'm going to put this is a test headline. All right. And then we're going to, but TJ, the reason why you don't see any YouTube logos on videos is because those videos are not hosted on YouTube. So any video that's hosted on YouTube is going to have a YouTube video logo. It just happens. But like myself, I have my own video hosting. So my videos don't have YouTube logos on there if I don't want them to. But if you don't want people to click on that logo and they go to his channel, then like I said, Brandon has a video. He even done a training to show you all how to download the videos and upload them to your own channels. So therefore, when people click on them, then it will go to your YouTube channel and not his. So let's click on preview. Okay, and that didn't work. Hold on. Maybe I put that in the wrong spot. Let's see here. Oh, that is the wrong spot. Let's see. That was the wrong spot. So let's exit that. Because that's not a launch page. You go to headline options. Same thing. You can do a pre-headline like you did before. A headline, which I'm just going to do a headline for the sake of time. I'm going to paste that there. And then click Save Draft again. And then I'm just going to preview it before I actually publish it. So let's preview this again. And then you see it right here at the top.
Welcome to the Vitel.
Okay. So there you have that. Now you can also move that down and you can type stuff. This is a test. Get started now, or whatever you want to say. You can make it pretty, bold, or whatever you want to do. Let's see how that looks. Okay, you can center it, whatever. I probably wouldn't put anything down there, but you can if you want to. All right, so hopefully all this is making sense. I'm trying to give you a whole lot of information right now to kind of help you all out. So let's exit it out of this. Okay, so let me get rid of that because I don't like that. And let me see something here. You can do a headline below the video. This is what you want to do. Get started now. Below. Headline below video. That is the one you want to do. So let's click on Save Draft. You always want to save draft when you make changes, because worst case scenario, you don't want your computer to crash and then you lose all your work. That will suck. Trust me, I had that happen before. Or the power go out. I mean, anything can happen. So now you see, here's the headline below the video. So you can do that, and then you can type regular text in the content box, which, let me show you what that looks like. I'm gonna move that down a bit and then do sample text. No links in the room, James. No links. And then click preview. Again, let's see what that looks like. Oh, that went below the video. Oh yeah, that's where it's supposed to be. So now you see that sample text there. All right, so that's how you do a squeeze page and a sales page. Let me publish this real quick. I'm gonna publish it to make it live. Now it's live. So let's take a look at what we have here. No DataCat wireless. Let me type in a squeeze page. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay, so there's a squeeze page. There's a squeeze page. And then I'm going to put in a bogus name. John Doe. Blah, 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 at gmail.com. Click Get Access Now, and watch what happens. See what just happened? Now, this is a lot of training that I could have charged for. You all are getting it free here at Power Team. Greatest team on earth. So I just showed you how to create a squeeze page. I'm not going to be able to show you how to do the blog tonight. I will save that for Tuesday. Okay? We're going to do the blog for Tuesday, next Tuesday, because if I do the blog tonight, that's going to be another hour. And we have a corporate webinar coming up here tonight. So I'm not going to do that. So there's your squeeze page and video. So now you can create your own custom squeeze page that will allow you to be able to build your own list. Because like I said, building your own list is very important. You never know what happens. I mean, there's people that have had contacts over the years that they have lost because they didn't build their list. They built a company list. They had all their emails and stuff of their prospects tied into a company contact manager, and then the company goes out of business or they get terminated, and then they lose those leads. So regardless, and this is a hypothetical situation, even if you or anyone even decides to leave Vitel, they are always going to have their autoresponder. Why? Because it has their contacts in it. Okay? That's how important this is. Okay? Because you're not going to have to start over and build another list again. All your leads are here. This is standalone, separate, and this is what this company specializes in. Now, the next final thing that I'm going to give you tonight is twofold. It's twofold. Number one, I have autoresponder messages. I'm going to show you how to do this. And actually, I need to do this myself first. I forgot to do this. Global fields. Let me do this right quick. Well, actually, campaigns. I have autoresponder messages. Everybody that has an autoresponder is going to get my autoresponder messages. I kind of tweaked them a little bit. You don't have to change anything. You only have to make minor modifications, and it's going to automatically put your information in there. You see this weird code here. Let me show you. You see that weird code here that say percentage, subscriber, first name, blah, 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 blah. That's going to automatically put your lead's name there. Okay? It's going to automatically put your lead's name there. These autoresponder messages work. They convert. it will send out over the course of a week. Okay, a little over a week, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days. I didn't really do the calculations, but you have it here. Here's the messages. Now here's how you get the messages. I'm gonna paste. Here's the campaign share code. You're not gonna remember this, so don't worry about it. I am going to put it on the training website under this recording. So don't try to write this down because it's not even necessary. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna paste the code there. Here's the code. Okay, so let me copy that. Okay, and here's what you need to do. All you need to change is, first, what you need to do, to be honest. Let me do this first. This is what it's going to look like when you get it. Let me put this in here. Put my number here. This is what it's going to look like when you get it. So then I'm going to show you what to do in 1 second. And then I'm going to let you all go. And then you want to put your sales page here. Sales page only. Not the opt-in page. Put the sales page here. So whenever they click the link, it's going to take them back to that presentation again because we never know why people didn't watch it the first time. Okay, and then I'm going to click update. All right, so here's what you're going to do. Let me figure out how to get back to that. Let's see. Okay, so once you log into your GVO account, here's what you want to do to get these emails messages. And this is why people want this autoresponder. First thing you want to do is first click on autoresponder, then come up here and click on list. All right. Then what you want to do is paste the code here. I believe it goes here. I can't remember which one it goes in. Let's find out. And then click on get campaign. Yes, you paste it at the top, then click on get campaign. Did everybody see that? Hopefully everybody caught that. You don't have to change the campaign name. You don't have to change that. The only thing you need to change is the from name and that's pretty much it. And then you want to check notify when there's a new subscriber. Click edit. Now, of course, you want to make sure you do this. I actually should have probably showed you this before I showed you how to create the squeeze page. But before you create the squeeze page, you actually want to do this first so that you don't have to create another campaign. So hopefully that made sense. So then after you do that, do this before you create the squeeze page or before you create the opt-in form because you don't want to have to go back and do it again. Then you want to make sure you choose the right campaign, which this one I just did was the PTM Vitel Leads 1. That is the one I just did. This is the most important part, folks, so make sure you pay attention. After you select the right campaign, make sure it's selected up here. Go over to Global Fields. Then you want to scroll down. You're going to see my information here. You want to take my name out, put your name in. Your name here. You want to put your number here. And you want to put your website here. Your sales page. Put your sales page here. yoursalespage.com/sales. Then you want to scroll down and click update to save it. All right. And it's going to say successfully saved there. Now your campaign is done. That's all you have to do. From there, you want to do what I told you to do earlier. Create the opt-in form to go on your lead capture page, so on and so forth. Then you want to create the opt-in form, put it on your squeeze page, and the rest is self-explanatory. Now, before you start marketing this, no, you don't have to put your name and email there. You don't have to do that. All right. The next thing you want to do is click on messages. All right. And then you want to test the messages to make sure everything is correct in there. Here's how you do it. You see this here, this email thing. It say test. Click on that, and it's going to email you that message. Click test again. Click test again. Test all the email messages to make sure the from name is correct. The links in there are working. Make sure everything is working properly before you start marketing this. Then after you do that, you are good to go. You are good to go. Did all of that make sense? Please tell me if it made sense. So do everybody understand that you need to actually create the campaign and copy my campaign before you actually create your squeeze page? Do everybody understand that? I did this backwards tonight. So I apologize. I did it backwards. I should have did this first. So you want to actually do this first. I'm going to say it again. Before you create your squeeze page, do this first before you create your squeeze page so that you have the campaign in here. Because if not, you're not going to have any campaigns here. The campaign code, like I said, I am going to post it on the training website, so don't worry about that. Another thing that you can do here, folks, you can create an unlimited amount of campaigns. So this one right here is a shared campaign that I'm sharing with you, but you can add messages to this. If you want to add more messages to this, all you need to do is click on messages and click add follow-up. Add follow-up, which is the second option. You can add more messages to this. If you are doing something else, which I understand people do other stuff, so I'm not being crazy and idiotic here. You can create an unlimited amount of campaigns. So if you want to create another campaign for something else, all you do is click on campaigns and then click add campaign. And then you can create another campaign name. You can put the name, description, put the from name, make sure your name is there so that when people see the email, it will have your name there. The notification email, you want to put the same email, and you want to always be notified when subscribers come in. So you can use this autoresponder with anything that you choose. It is not limited to Vitel or whatever. Again, you can use it for anything that you choose. So again, this is something that you can have for life as long as you're doing business on the internet or have any business. You can use this. So with that being said, if you don't have this autoresponder yet, make sure you get with your upline about and ask for their link. If your upline don't have a link and they don't want a link, contact the next available upline in your hierarchy. If your upline want a link and they don't know how to get a link, tell them to contact their upline and get their affiliate link, and then they'll give you their link, because we want to make sure everybody stays in proper order. All right, and gets credit for that. Again, no posting links in here, so please do not post any links in here. Here's a challenge for you. We actually have a corporate webinar coming up here in a second, so make sure that you get on that webinar. Brandon is doing a webinar tonight at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Anyone in here? Anyone in here? Yeah, it's only $10 a month. It's really cheap, and it's a 14-day free trial. Anyone in here? The first five people, I can't do it for everybody, but the first 5 people that invite 3 or more people to the 10 o'clock webinar tonight that Brandon is doing. 10 o'clock tonight will get their first month free on me. I will send you the money tonight. But here's how it's going to work. All right. You cannot incentivize your prospects and tell them, hey, to get on just so I can get $10, because I will know, okay, that you did that. Okay. 10 o'clock tonight, liveonedream.info. $10 on me. All right. Tell your prospect to put your initials. No, matter of fact, I can't, because everybody initials some people initials are the same. Tell them to put your name beside their name so I can track it inside the conference room. Your name beside their name. So their name first, then your name. Whoever gets 3 or more prospects on the webinar tonight, the first 5 people to do that, $10 on me. All right, because I'm going to be watching. $10 on me. I will PayPal you the money tonight. Okay, even if you don't get this, you still need this autoresponder. But I just want to do this just to kind of help some people out. So $10 on me, PayPal your money. If you don't have this autoresponder, you need to get it. Because again, we just showed you why, the value, the autoresponder messages, so on and so forth. $10 on me. Okay? No, not $100. $10. So it's going to be paid for by me. It doesn't matter if I sponsored you or not in Vitel. I don't care. All right? It doesn't matter if I sponsored you or not. So this is for everybody that's on this live training. First 5 people that get 3 people, at least 3 people on the webinar tonight will get $10 on me. Call me. My number is 219-615-219-9859, and we can get it rolling. Call me when you do this, and I want to see them on there. I'm going to be watching. So with that being said, go ahead and jump on a corporate call or webinar here in a second. I went over, and we'll kind of move forward from there. Once the training is done saving, I will put this on the training website along with the campaign share code so that you can import the autoresponder messages, so on and so forth. But again, make sure you contact your sponsor for their link. Next Tuesday, I will show you how to use Optimized Press as a blog as well. So we're not going to worry about the blogging tonight, but you have enough, okay? You have enough right now to go out there and create your own squeeze page to make yourself look like a professional and set yourself apart from the competition that's out there right now with this. Now, Tuesday, I am going to show you how to utilize this as a blog as well, because it is an amazing blog, and that's how I generate a lot of my signups through blogging. So I'm going to show you how to do that next week, next Tuesday, which is the normal day that I do these trainings. Now, with that being said, I'm going to let you all go. I will see you all in about an hour and a half. Talk to you soon. God bless you.